Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying essentials. Sign into the Google account you want to upgrade and confirm its country matches the gift card. Once signed in, locate the 1620-character redemption code on the card or email. Open Play. Google.com/redeem or the Google Play app. This is where you'll apply the credit. Make sure your payment profile accepts Play Balance instead of default card. If the balance is missing, don't panic, we'll address syncing next. Now redeem the code. Type it carefully at Play. Google.com/redeem or tap Redeem in the Play app and paste the code. Once done, check your Google Play balance for the added amount. This can take a minute. Next, open YouTube Premium subscription page while signed into the YouTube account tied to your Google Play balance. Make sure the payment method shows Google Play balance. If not, choose Change Payment Method and select Play Balance so the subscription will draw from the card. Finish by confirming YouTube shows Premium as active and that the initial charge came from your Play balance. The subscription page lists payment source and next billing date. If activation fails, recheck country settings, whether you're joining a family plan or if Google placed a temporary hold. These are common blockers. If the code wasn't accepted, verify spelling and retry, then contact Google Play support with your receipt. Keep the card/code handy. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.